Such a ball power. We invite them to come, then we play it to our attackers. They use the pace, outwit them, and we get the goals. Very, very fantastic. I told you, with them back, you see that midfield will gel. You know what? During their absence, I think there was a shortcoming at the midfield there. But now they are back. They are used to the way we play in the middle. I'm happy, extremely happy. I told you we were going to win, and we've done it. Time will tell. Let's get to the time, then we do.
Moko prison and now my family for neglect your money went. Me person me support is Akuffo. Me person my family since who say Oko prison and non just say be wedi boni be and obiano prison just say wedi boni and I remember more neglect your more prisons no. Until me share. Some programs now because so we're a good program now. Then meeting me and support.
Okoman Radio.
Moko prison now my family for and a great money went. Me person me support is Akuffo. Me person my family since who say Oko prison and non just say be wedi boni bi enye obiano wo prison just say wedi boni and I remember more neglect your more prisons no until me share some programs now because so we're a good program now. Then meeting me and support.
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio.
To events in Turkey and Syria, and actually a story that we brought you earlier this week, which is the former Newcastle United footballer Christian Atsu, who was reported missing in Turkey after the earthquake. Then we were told that he'd been rescued from the rubble and taken to hospital, but in a statement his agent now says that Christian is still missing. Well, we can speak to his partner, Claire Rupio. Claire, thank you so much for talking to us, and I'm so sorry that you're having to go through this. It's unimaginable, the not knowing. What information have you been told? Do you know anything?
Well, all I know is that currently his agent is in Turkey, and he's trying to get to the place where it happened, and we know that his building has been, they know where the building is, and they're trying their best to rescue everybody. And they know that there are people still under the rubble, but the problem is that they don't have the equipment necessary to get them out. So he's still missing, and we don't know where he is.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Within 2 months. I say, my experience say, dining to me was so 10 seconds been assigned. But my next person will be arguing and say, be a BBC neighbor. So Monday now, how much? I think yes, Sunday a football match far away. Your flight cancel after the game. Only a flight for people had time national crana above 2 a.m. How much? Tia call and a jaya bread, very rain, and see a dakakra. He had the whole more bare 4 a.m. and I who said a diner was so. The shot, let's say, yes, I know, many if you say, be a idea, no Martin a taxi. But within 5 seconds, now I didn't know why I didn't. It's me sorry, the America Akropong-Akuapem hair, my colleagues no more for me, so almost so at the meeting now. The America group for more, almost so at my almost. I know who the dining was so collect now, was so right. Near my ashes, boy, and near the.
neglect your money went me person me support this Akuffo me person my family since who say oko prison and no just say be where the money be and obi an old prison just say where the money and I remember more neglect your more prisons no until me share some programs now because I'm so we're a good program now so many of them meeting me and so and great your money went me person me support this Akuffo me person my family since who say oko prison and no just say be where the money be and obi an old prison just say where the money and I remember more neglect your more prisons no until me share some programs now because I'm so we're a good program now so many of them meeting me and so
Yanti bosionka na femba no sena yenti akwadi hwekwandu manja ya kwantimfi odupo atutu obemponko adansa ya so kwata yiro ye
Okoman Radio
obiso ye mo ngomangana okunene ko fibemba www.musica.org.gh launching ya say and papentina yes okuna for your
my family for and great your money went me person me support this Akuffo me person my family since who say oko prison and no just say be where the money be and obi an old prison just say where the money and I remember more neglect your more prisons no until me share some programs now because I'm so we're a good program now so many of them meeting me and so
to when you may be a Kangana for woman. In order to me, you be the
Okoman Radio.
Coming in, you never say yes, and then my dreams say, young penny, if we say Yashria soon be in it. When you see no man with me, I'll boo at the very power. Come patch out the name with ya, 70 millions of rent of wow.
You don't have to fight again. Let yourself float on the winds of change. Today you'll be with your father.
Okoman Radio.
Ghana.
Okoman Radio.
Ghana. Yeah, you are
Okoman Radio.
Yeah, you are there. Hey, na da banana me yinsu e basa. Da banana Ghana fu yinsu e basa o. Nyame fa wo sie. crying now. Not your crying. Papa, it's time for solitude. It's time for solidarity. Now
Akropong Radio.
Hear me now. I lift up mine eyes and I freeze Kulem like ice. My blood freezes into a solid gory side. I want to believe it's all lies. Whoever has cast the dice has made the crossing of the Rubicon a big bite. Yeah, Uncle Atta, now you can rest in one peaceful slice.
Akropong Radio.
Everybody, Uncle Atta, now you can fly with a smile all the way to Mount Zion like a kite. Everybody, good things don't last long. In this life, most good people die young. It's very difficult to try keep a smile on. In this hard situation, when the sorrows just they pile on. Amambieran, I Jimmy Sam, Nana Kotihini, a same way party, Yeti Fahini, a dabbing at Debbie, Eddie and Bonnie, Eddie from a Bonnie, to Odupo.
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio, 97.1. Hey.
Prison and now my family for and great your money went me person me support this Akuffo me person my family since who say Oko prison and no just say be wedi boni bi enye obi an o prison just say wedi boni and na me mo neglect your mo prisons no enti me share some programs now because I'm so we're a good program now. So I'm then meeting me and support.
I said we are ready.
They wrote in the old days that it is sweet and fitting to die for one's country. But in this modern world, there is nothing sweet nor fitting in your dying. You will die like a dog for no reason. The good die young because they see it using living for you have got to be good. I like a man who is good, but not too good. For the good die young. And I hate a dead one. Pay memo Akwa Addi about Okoman 97.1 so Ani and said Nyenika and so for God and country see a Tinasana fins to near Dimun Sem Yanaba good Yamun Sem I'll pay Yedimun Como Beba and when I am pipe ball and Sanka Yenia Bema Christiana Chucha Sam Eba beka yensa asunjemu. So nano pa ye dana ya sorry. Kofi Antoata na wejari abamti. Yenu ya Christian achucha sam. Nenkra ibo ananka ibo nenkra ba. Yenu ya nonso akem. Yankopon fa ne kransie ye. Na finso no mbo ebusuan oban. Ne yere ne ma. Adofo Kadum management Nipa ka eda social asase Yina ye bompa se Twede Amponsah be di omo afofi Spirit of bom ho ban May the good soul for our brother Christian Achu Twasam rest in perfect peace. Amen. So obeye na film die ani obo ne board ma the Black Stars of Ghana na film die say Ghana yes to betumi anya AFCON trophy bi e kan 2015 Equatorial Guinea na Ghana ye gina kono se pese ye nyankunudie over here amaya ne din the Ivory Coast achu gina kumema bobo that final no nya man of the match. That tournament only your best player of the tournament. That tournament only your best goal of the tournament. Just a brainy adon branty ejremu esia kind magana. Ojina kumemu at the ball. Come on everybody. So ni akobane sa. Brana branty here Ghana for do no ano here mine. Timi ankobane sa. Asene ye kano, ye Christopher na brainy adonya ye kano. Krobiana debio kana sem se Bible na Canada se papo bonio fast dam fama Twede Amponsah nkasa na no pay yet na da Twede Amponsah se ne empo ni anpo yetume huno empo nka ye humpo a yetume huno bibireni o ma ye huomo bibireni o ma se Bebireni oma ebusuampo ase atware enna eja eba ebusuanya ase ahye nanso empo yenia Christian achu wakemu mpo anyame adom ne body ye hu aseda ne yede ma Twede Amponsah yenhye ye ho den yenyina so man yen kan hu mom na yɛmfa nkɔ adwudwum sɛ dabi de empo sɛ bi to ɔman Ghana kwan mɛ so yɛbɛfa aso ano yɛmpanyfoɔ menkase bibi nti na mmom sɛ yɛ nature na Nyankopɔn hyehyɛeɛ no bibia bɛtumi asi esi ɛdɛn na ɔman yɛyɛ ɛde afa ho sanso na wo nso individual wo a wotie mi anɔpɛ kokoti ahomasoɔ me ane me ana woni me dibre woni sika me wo woni kasa me wo woni madanya Messi ana woni bebre me free mekyerɛw bosumi aduam aburo ana wo obehu ahomasoɔ ne kokoti yapagya yabeti yenka hu sɛ 1 second betuma sesa bibia. Yes, just 1 second can change everything negatively and positively. And to say ahomasoɔ no kan hu sɛ yɛmrɛ yɛn ho ase, be humble. Say there, be humble. Esan say in a split second bia betuma si obo kwasi ada najo ada no pa yesi yenhu no wayera oko just like that. Timesi ede bre ho ase amazo ne mfa nko babia ana mempene mfa nko babia. Ni onu mpo sebi obre ne ho ase enhu ahiafo mobo ededuafo hu omomobo ene yokọ enti wa o prewia seja pade na me kas yesi na sei na mempene na me no betwe akosi awie ona ne twe abete ede beje ta no like ye kan be humbled, just be humbled. Ipa yenseche Ejuwa dani 2 weeks ayenu ya nukwasha asasi o 2 weeks Faransa na no dani fie didi enum ni obeso di bia no tumi di otumi nom but 2 weeks no asasi on didi ne wanom enti na make a to be humbled bra ho ase awmaso ne mfa nko ba bia yebeja no haya asasi so haya ni yebeja no over 6 feet ada kamna no bedam edan no mfa nko opposition no mfa nko awmaso no mfa nko ipa be mo samumo ye be peja do yato ya betini akoto atwene keke body na wosra so nku ye ne final media me center papa nku papa na mesra de be di baabi ne jese nkuto ne ye be sra wo enforte ne be di unam I say be humbled ne futu amere be ma na no pay abegyafo atena se ye be wuram mu na ya be di nkomo minisa abegyafo aboto but nyina ka ho for God and country ntino e wo se ye ne sa enso na de mawo and I say kesen confirm executive producer you are Kofi Anton Bafo Sanson and Akuffo Akori Ajiman DJ Zigibi Donzi Krobia Sante Pasolo Paradise Ajo Pokuya Onam Omnyata eche dindia yedi jumedi ni eba anopay midin Kelvin Amponsah Addi ufremi ekin so ameje osuna miraho papa miraho nanso ni nyina nkemfo ano eka ya setena no eka abrabo na ye bo no eka namo aye tu awo ya setena entina is part of life owo eka asetena ho you see a journey enti efi baby ana abeso baby ni ye ko baby enti wo ko no ye den a obewu nemu ekwanya ye befa so akọ no enene asem no enti na me se be humbled. Krobia ha mema na kwaba solo nso ha mema makwaba na yewrem kakra krobia bibia kama no pay mi nyini ze sada ye kama bat
ekoba dia dama bibia eye kama bibia ye kama ye won kwan ye wan hoden kwan de ye danase ose papa mo bonimo ye mfasida ema no ntidi ekoyie ne de ankoyie nyina moja egusudi efurusane de na seda de nya de ye be fa dida ntino ye wan hoden na mmom no ye very very unfortunate say ene no ye da sorry ya na yenu a erekona wotwe ebienni yedi ne ho nkoma wetumi aye erade dia na che say yeja obo ade na nkasa ana nei wetumi afre yenu ano ntino enye bebi bone ana okọ Sajidi no hopa enye baby bonnet da ana all continue until we meet again. We will say, may the Almighty God protect our very soul, Christian Achu Chasam, for us until we meet again on that very day of judgment. Intino, no, eke, no.
Solo.
Eke.
I don't pay my watch.
Major so.
Nyampo
about the Adam now so.
Nyame adom ene mpaibo yetiase. Senia ko bia kan no. Yeah. So I don't pay antiasem de. Nanso ni nya echi no.
Ni na amu no.
Aseda ni de mama.
Ade we no eke ye mu bi no mo de ye hu se esi ahye. Hu se besi se no so ahye. Ti ye mu bi no no ya cheche ye nwere de da. Ya de but hwi ni ho aye betumi aye. Yesi ogu kurade a enkwantum enje. Yankopon emfa ne kra emfansie ma ye. Oye modem ba boy ye de ma the Black Stars of Ghana. Anya hwe kura no 65 games bi de. Obo de ma Ghana. And obo aye ma 2015 se ne odi kan bo boss no. Ye kopie mu AFCON grand finale. Penalties and Ivory Coast e dey the free SM that tournament the performance e ya dey aye konkan. Emra coach Kwesi Apia Akuffo no e baaye. Obi enim ba bia na atwifri. Obi enim ba bia na owo. But that time no go so born the ball FC Porto. And James Kwesi Apia introduce you neba Black Stars no. The modern mo or body ma Black Stars na ya dey was soro. O maye kai la ye kense. Say ye benya number 7 bia the modern mo no be was soro sa e dey ma Black Stars. And after la ye kense that position no atuba be boy ni ye e dey ma ye. Till say when you call up biem our Black Stars. Nyame fa ne kransie abusuafo no so nyame chechero mo yere ne yere ene ne ma ena fe obi bia Ghana fo nyina obi an cheche ne yere enya si eba ne se ya but ni nyina emu no yensan so fa seda e ma Nyankopon e bia se wotena ase se wo koso abobola yenim ne ebeba nti nhyehyaya bia ono so ne de no okwan obefa so a odi be free you ase eni say bia asase wo so obesi e wo Turkey na edina asase be mre no na fi akire be hu no awo no so be wuti ni na mu no aseda na ede mo Nyankopon nyame fa ne kransie
nyame fa ne kransie nyame busu ahye na yenya yenchiche yere enim se amena no ma no aso no ye ni oji ntino eno so eno no Kobia na amanonisem wo
hopa ensem doso papa se katafuna lande officially wo mo dia tu se krong enti ube ma we na ye djuma wo ma lande papa efe wo mo ne British man second we richest man in UK Sir Jim Ratcliffe wo mo nyina eninem wo mo hwe nim se wo mbenya the service of Manchester United out of Glazers no na ne o metumi akonkan ti no ensem wo ho matches awodo na sendra ya mfantuga nti enne matches na eba so enne ene o chena da ni nyina yedi ni nyina nso eba beguo na ya hwe other stories and also make the waves in football na yedi ni nyina na say sports at large yedi ni nyina nso etumi edi aba ma ne o man nso etumi akonkan ti no no eke no pa no na so hu say ma sha da pa na vimbi be pese David be pese fe fam grantino alosa ni yetini ne ye de kwa masa ye de kwa ati yentu
El Chicharito, ahí la tiene Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio, no hay arquero, ¿quién le pega? Gio, ¡golazo! ¡Poema de gol! Apago la luz y me voy, asesinen la garganta mientras se maten a goles. ¡Golazo!
Okoman Radio.
¡Golazo!
Right, your mobibia ache fambra Okoman 97.1 ebretu se atiamana ne nsem a yapoapoa no ekrinche so etipa betan yiti for any ahwefo remu anana Akuffo okore adjuma together with AK and so any paradise ekrinche nsem ne degu krata so se me nkon kwanten kro na me fa Amanfo kro so nsem no emfa betan yiti for any ahwefo uremu ewe in social media handles na jumeti ne so no etwegu live on Okoman 97.1 Facebook no Okoman Radio 97.1 udruwa wetumi a like no we pia share ama womo what diaspora and so no to get in touch of the show jeti app on YouTube Okoman Radio 971 udua na ne wetumi subscribing e kama na enenu adoma no so wetumi dia to say na dwumedi awudu bia no enso e sha say so wetumi the very first person who be get in touch na ne omanso no etumi akonkan Facebook no DJ Zigby ana eneme me wa ba betem a ene yo no so e ma edwuma no akokama ma bibia so no etumi aye fam kama intino live streaming of the Okoman Global Sports Weekend Edition no enso DJ Zigby na nei oboama ni nyoma so no etumi konkan enche na second round of the Bet Power Premier League no sha se nti Kotoku Royals ye hwenim se de nyoma so no ebetumi akonkan ba Zigby de ne modern bono medi nkan ka se eso enipa esin Kotoku Royals enso ewo Bet Power Premier League no mtejuma no eguso a ekoso eye pictorial presentation ada footages ni nyina enso etwegu ewo ye handles no so a yeti eba dia onia so ebetumi akọ Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 no nso ahwe footages no na wetumi anya clear vivid description of the stories yeti eba no nia ono nso no eni sebe no enso ebetumi etuni into the flight number 97.1 no nso etumi etie nsemo a yeti eba no na nyoma nso no etumi akonkan edin no aye krobia sante ebetia to mo enso ewo Confederation of African Football Champions League games outdoor and also ekos we no aye CAF and ono nso edra no ehihye ma nyoma nso no etumi akonkan na say the African version of Champions League and the group stages no results outdoor na enso etumi to go away the second phase aye ball teams outdoor ni nyina no ebo one second games so far as a group stages no so no concern and drada matches awuto bi enso etumi etodwa eho enenso no games awuto na enso ebetumi ato aso na ndra urhemu ewo Matthias of February Stadion enso ewo Ali Benghazi team a yefra no Amarek ewo Sudan enso ene Zamalek e dia kense na hyehyɛ so 0-0 obi pia entumi ensi akan enso eho anto atena ama nyoma etumi ekonkan Ghana ni abrantie Daniel Layeni anane no otumi ejine mu eto ayerem na echese nyoma enso ekonkan ma referee Daniel Laye ono so free Ghana enso ama nyoma etumi ekonkan sanso na uremu enso ewo Cameroon Stade Omnisport Rwanda Ajida eno ewo Garura Krumwo Cotton Sports Garura enso ehye baako ama Mamelodi Sundowns of South Africa enso epo academy ensa wo etumi etimu baako abrantie friend no Malula etumi ebogo Morana so no etumi ebogo nyoma nso no etumi ekonkan ewo sa game ni mu ama nyoma nso no etumi ekonkan okopie mu ewo Algeria la eho nso no Stade Divin November 1957 TZ Olo eho na sa game we no etumi ekosu JSS Kabili enso ene Wydad Casablanca and etumi da kensi no etumi ahyehyɛ so Kabili ehye kan ba akoma Wydad from Morocco etumi ensimu agye no nso no results out a eno so etumi eto dwa eho ayede ni nyina no enso ede eba no yebehwemu enso ewo ne games out a eno so ebetumi atodwa ewo ene CAF Champions League no enso emu ne adini nyina so no etumi ede atugwa ewo no ma uhwemu ewo Sudana Al Hilal Omdurman enso eton sefre Al Alia wo mu free Egypt na game no etumi akoso ewo Al Hilal Stadium na game no nso etumi abaso ewo 1 PM sharp ana sa game no enso ebetumi abaso na uremu ewo Uganda Vipers enso eni horo ya free Guinea ene dia kesi no ebetumi ahyehyɛ so St Mary Stadium enso ewo Kitende eho na sa game we no enso ebetumi abaso 1 PM sharp na game we no ebetumi abaso na DR Congo ana se Congo DR no uremu AS Vita Club enso eni Petro Atletico free Angola and this game we betuma hyehyɛ so ewo Stade Matis eho na sa game we no ebetumi abaso we no 4 PM and yede eba eno so yede ho nsɛm ni nyina no enso ede eba na Tanzania Simba enso eto nse dia free Raja Casablanca free Morocco na game no etumi abaso ewo Benjamin Mkapa National Stadium enso eho na bibianso no etumi aye kama and efe uremu ewo Algeria la eno so CR Belouizdad wɔn ɛto nsa frɛ Esperance de Tunis na wɔn de game no etumi ahyehyɛ so ɛwɔ Nelson Mandela Stadium ɛnso ɛwɔ Baraki ɛhɔ na saa game wei no ɛnso ebetumi ahyehyɛ so wei ne games auto a ɛno nso ebetumi ato dwa ɛnso over the weekend ɛwɔ CAF Champions League ɛno nso ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ Africa ha no ho na ma nneɛma nso no etumi akɔnkan ebɛfiri mu ɛnso ɛwɔ Europe ne akɔ akɔhwɛ results auto pia ɛndrata etumi etu mu ɛnso ɛwɔ Ozore Ghana ne abrante Gideon Mensah etumi egyina mu esiakan Elisha Owusu entumi returning from injury ti ɛndra wentumi ensiakan ma nneɛma nso no entumi ankɔnkan amfama Ozore nso Ozore etumi etena fie ehwini by 2-1 ɛnso against Olympic de Lyon na kyerɛ sɛ Ozore etumi enya that victory Gideon Mensah etwa ekyire wɔ number 3 wɔ ma nneɛma nso no etumi ɛkɔnkan kama yɛde ahosɛm ni nyina no ɛba ne games out no ɛnso ɛto aso OGC Nice ɛne Stade Reims ana ɛbɔ sanso na Strasbourg ɛnso no Angers Paris Saint-Germain tra Parc des Princes ɛne Lille ɛnso ɛde akense ne tumi ahyehyɛ so ɛhɔ no sanso na Remo a Laurent ɛne AC Ajaccio ɛne de akense no ɛbɛhyehyɛ so na Stade Brest eke team no wɔn nso ɛde akense no ɛbɛtumi awɛkame Monaco na wɔn de saa game no ɛnso etumi ahyehyɛ so Stade Rennais ɛno nso no wɔn frɛ team a yɛfrɛ no Clermont-Foot na kyerɛ sɛ Ghana ni apranteɛ Seydou Alidu ɛnso ɛbɛtumi asi akan ɛde ama Clermont-Foot abra wɔn kɔ away to Rennais na saa game no etumi aba so Troye ɛne Montpellier Lens ɛnso ɛne 90s na kyerɛ sɛ Lens wure mu a Salih Samed enso ebegyina mu Jamalen abra wo mo welcome Nantes na sa game no nso etumi akoso Toulouse enso ene Marseille and the akinsi no enso ebetumi ahyehyɛ so we ni games outdoor a ebetumi akoso ne eno ochada ewe ni French League Championship na nyoma nso etumi akoso ntino eno nso ne kakra yede eja yebehwemu ewe the German Bundesliga ni aka akɔhwɛ fixtures outdoor eno nso etumi eto gwantrata game back etumi eto dwa Augsburg ehye kan ba kon ama Hoffenheim entumi ensimu agye sanso no ana ne wurimo a games no eto aso Borussia Mönchengladbach enso ene Bayern München ana de akensie no ebesi so Borussia Park Mönchengladbach krumgo ana sa game no so no ebetumi ahyehyɛ so sanso ana Wolfsburg enso ene RB Leipzig ana de akensie no ebɛhyehyɛ so ewo Volkswagen Arena ana sa game we no eno so ebetumi ahyehyɛ so yɛde ho nsɛm no nyina no enso ede eba uhrimu enso ewo Bokma wo mo ne Freiburg Ghana ni apprentice ye friend no Daniel Kovic ono so nya injury nya de obetumi si akan de ama Freiburg wa bra wo mo kɔ away to Venezia ene Stadion enso Bokum na sa game no enso etumi ahyehyɛ so ɛhɔ kakra ɛno so ɛba yɛde ɛma etifo nso no Stuttgart enso ene Cologne ana de akensie no betumi ahyehyɛ so ɛwɔ Mercedes-Benz Arena enso ɛwɔ Stuttgart krumgo ana sa game no nso no ebetumi aba so a yɛde ho nsɛm no nyina no enso ɛde ɛba saa so ana odremu wɔ Deutsche Bank Park ɛno ɛwɔ Frankfurt krumgo Eintracht Frankfurt wɔn nso ene Werder Bremen ana de akensie no ebetumi ahyehyɛ so manoma nso no etumi akonkan Union Berlin enso ene Schalke 04 ɛwɔ Stadion Ade Atanin Fonterrey eno so ewo Berlin ana sa game we no enso ebetumi akoso manoma nso no etumi aye kama wo Signal Iduna Park eho eye Borussia Dortmund enso ene Hertha Berlin ana ebetumi de akensi no enso etumi ahyehyɛ so ana FB Arena eho aye Bayer for Leverkusen wo nso ene Mainz no ebetumi de akensi no enso etumi ahyehyɛ so we ne ene fixtures outdoor eno so ebeto dwa ene ochana so ewo the German Bundesliga yetini nyina enso etumi ede abre etifo enso eho na odremu enso ewo Italian Scudetto a mid games outdoor na match day 23 games outdoor na betumi atoso ene ochinada enso elho na endra game ba kon enso etumi etodwa wa brasa solo enso ene Napoli ada kensi no etumi ahyehyɛ so ewo Mope Stadion enso ewo Reggio Emilia eho na sa game we etumi akoso 90 minutes of soccer fiesta SSC Napoli akwawe ekowini by 2-0 team my friend Sassuolo etumi ensimu aja branch friend Kechi Kvaratskhelia etumi ebogo ana Victor Osimhen inform Victor Osimhen and so the second goal na piece so amanyo metumi konkan so far no Napoli 18 points clear and woman so etumi dia tum e wo league ni mu achese nyoman so no konkan dima SSC Napoli e wo Italian Scudetto wo mo hwenim say over 30 years ni wo mo so ebetumi win Scudetto no for the very first time ne nyoman so etumi akonkan and so ho and the matches out na and so etodwa Sampdoria and so any Bologna ebo e wo Stadio Luigi Ferraris and no e Genoa Krumwo and as game we no ebetumi abaso sanso ana AC Monza enso any association Calcio de Milan AC Milan ene de akensiri baso eno eye brantio na sa game no baso e wo Monza and yet ho sem ni nyina no enso ede eba wo Giuseppe Meazza San Siro ye International de Milan wo mo ni Udinese Calcio ene de akensi no enso ebetumi ahyehye so na ohwremu enso wo Gewe Stadium Atalanta Bergamo etena Gewe Stadium enso ene Lecce ede akensi ne tumi ahyehye so sanso ana Fiorentina etena Artemio Franchi na wo mo so atonse de afre Empoli na wo mo so de sa game no enso etumi ede ahyehye so Salernitana enso ene Lazio ebo ewo Stadio Ariki ewo Salerno na sa game we no enso ebetumi atojo Spezia enso etonse de afre Juventus ama game no etumi akoso ewo Stadio Alberto Pico eno ewo La Spezia na sa game we so no ebetumi abaso ewo na chese Juventus enso ekwa hwi akwako bo game no ewo Spezia na no man so no etumi ekonkan wo eneno Olimpico Stadium ana AS Roma enso ene Chievo Verona ede akensi no ehyehyɛ so sanso ana uremu ewo Stadio Olimpico di Torino ye Torino krumwo ana sa game we no enso ebetumi abaso Torino ene Cremonese Felix Ohene Afenajan enso ni team Cremonese wo mo kwa we to Torino no mo de sa game no enso etumi ahyehyɛ so a yɛde ho nsɛm ni nyina no enso ede eba uremu ewo La Liga Santander endra game ba ko etumi etodwa Girona enso ene Ameria na kyerɛ sɛ it was a trailer win enso ede matima ye from Girona wa bra wo mutumi ehye 6 goals pass Ameria wo mo so etimu mienu na kyerɛ sɛ 8 goals trailer and etumi ekoso ewo Estadio Municipal D ene Montevideo enso ewo Girona krumwo amani oma etumi ekonkan Martin Ebogo Stuani Ebogo Hernandez ene mrate dodo na wo mu nyina toto ntena kama enso ede bo Girona wo mu nya ene 6 goals emphatic victory wo mo so ede ko amani oma etumi akonkan na ne games out na etodwa ene ochenada so se netie Real Sociedad enso etene fiatonsa ede afa Celta Vigo enso ewo Real Arena ewo San Sebastian na sa game we no enso ebetumi atodwa ehonoma yete eba Real Betis insono ene Valladolid enso ebesi akan wo Estadio Bonito Villamarin enso ewo Seville krumwo na chese Betis Sevilla wo mo so ne Valladolid ene de akensi no enso ebetumi ahyehye so a yete ho nsem ni nyina no enso ede eba Mallorca enso ene Villarreal esi akan ewo Visit Mallorca Estadi eno eye Palma di Mallorca krumwo ana sa game we ebetumi akoso Ghana ni abrante paba Idrisu enso ebetumi jepene esi akan ma nyoma nso no etumi akonkan a yete ho nsem ni nyina no enso ede eba Elche enso ene Espanyol de Barcelona etna Estadio Manuel Martinez ene no game no ebeba so ewo Elche krumwo no mso ede akensi no etumi ahyehye so eho Rayo Vallecano enso ene Sevilla ede akensi no ehyehyɛ so ewo Campo de Futebol de Vallecas eho eye Madrid krumwo ana sa game we no eno so eba so Wanda Metropolitano Atletico de Madrid etonsa ede afre Athletic Bilbao na chese we no eye father and son unum se Athletic Club de Bilbao wo mo na wo mo team ayefre no Atletico de Madrid intende eye father and son afa ana game no enso eba so ewo Wanda Metropolitano ana ye de ho sem ni nyina no eba Spotify di Campino eho ana ne ba samrante no enso ebebo bonyoma wodo na ede egu wo masum abra wo mo welcome CF Cadiz na game no etumi ahyehye so players wodo na ana ne wo musuntumi enya kwan ensi akan fama FC Barcelona abrante friend Ronaldo Araujo ono so yellow cards accumulation ontumi ensi akan Osman Dembele oko injury ontumi ensi akan na Pedro Gonzalez ono so no hamstring entenya do ono so betumi gyina mo siakan etama FC Barcelona ama ne o metumi akonkan ochena dama bibia so no etumi aikama uhwemu ewo Coliseum Alfonso Perez eno eye Hetafe etunsa enso de afre Valencia no mo so de sa game no enso etumi ahyehye so we no results a anase matches a eno so betumi atodwa jetini nyina enso ede eba yebehwemu the English Premiership, arguably the best league and the most exciting league in the world. The thrills, the skills, BBA say English Premier League, no, and so you so games and also between Barcelona and also saying it here and there. Kono na ye dear room or Chinakusi na Jordan sono matches in the to me at Twaso or Via Park, Aston Villa, Elton said the Afre Arsenal, the Gunners is no, or Mava Betosuminu, and so a home chain say BBA Beconkin, a year 12:30 nature say early kick off Bill, and so Eba, El Arsenal film and chair cry and Everton, one early kickoff one mo tie one mo tie ne game kase pa enso Barcelona Mikel Arteta enso edin sem kakra tumi atuga yentie sem a Mikel Arteta hwe ni mabra wo mo eko Via Park ne Aston Villa enso edin game no tumi akwa hye so.
What we want to do, and obviously they put the schedule the way they did it, which is a bit unusual, but is what it is. And the players, again, I said, they are highly motivated for tomorrow's game because we want to perform well and win the game.
Yes, they are a back game in very strong with Baba. One must ever perform ye. I should him say game no. One bet to me a Mikel Arteta manager and say to my son at the Ganes and say to me Eddie Etuka. Ye dare to a tear for him Samson on our Remo and so Brentford and Crystal Palace. And I can see basis so our Brentford Community Stadium a whole air landing Crumbona game winner and so bet to me so 3 p.m. sharp and I saw game winner and so bet to me so Samson out Remo our Amex Stadium a Brighton and Hove beyond one more and so any Fulham. And it is a game winner, and so be to me Ashes so Tarek Lamptey, and so be to my Japanese Yakai, a Jama Brighton and Hove beyond, while Brad game never to my basso 3 p.m. sharp, yet your Seminole and so at the Eba was Stamford Bridge. Charles Yabeton said their friend Southampton the Saint. No, said the Sakins, it to me Ashes so Ghana and Imran here, and I said Ghanaian born international players are Uremu Chirewa, Salisu Mohammed Ejim, Sanso an attacking Ted, Uremu Ewa Kamadin Sulemana, and a Bayer de Papa, Rich James, and it's Thiago Silva, Womunina, Womuja, Womufie, woman can score in the home. Internet say as great a tanku, and so any Kamadin Sulemana, Radi, and your mabe coaching Papa, the Chelsea, and a betting. Okay, a betting. Kamadin Sulemana, and the explicator tanku, nature say a betting. A betting. Thiago Silva, Unichiro. Hey, give way, yeah, Bishop Papa, but Nigam no make a shot, make a Ghana for, and say Nino, me walk Kamadin, and so any Mohammed Salisu, a honor more, me free Chelsea, I say, you cry, I'm a new masono, to me, a Concana Graham Potter, the Billy Graham in world football, and in Sam Kakra to go ahead of Kema, or also ni team, or the Kakushia Kamadin, Sulemana, and Mohammed Salisu, a witch or Yentino.
Yeah, we feel there's progress, but again, you have to constantly see and evaluate where we're at and what the circumstances are. It's pretty straightforward. You know, you play a game and you need to win, but there's lots of things going on in the background in terms of managing players coming back from injury, like I said last week and the week before. Integrating new players into the team and how that works, and all the time you're playing against, you're playing a competition, you're playing an opponent, so you have to deal with that as well. But that's just where we're at, and it's exciting.
Winning Sema Graham Potter, the Billy Graham in what football? Or no, you coach at the match Chelsea and so to me the two go for Kima, and also Banana so team no share previous games I Womuguswa a show promise any progress and say the game where our community nothing but the best and the very win. And our Monso our Stamford Bridge showing himself won't be to me and couldn't over the Saint. The Southampton not game on and so to me Akon Goodison Park no Everton the toughest one lose United and to me their case and so to me Ashes so Sanson and Uremo City ground a so no Nottingham Forest one more to said they are from Manchester City now I'm saying this game no and so to me Ashes so now Joseph Pep Guardiola a manager at the match team from Manchester City on so no akasaka craft game any City ground wa one more Forest war ya Chelsea was obeshi.
They're really good, so it's like Jack, like everyone. I'm so pleased for everyone, but I want more. So I still had the feeling Kevin can do more, Jack can do more, can do better. So that would be the best word. They can do it. So of course make a fantastic goal. But I know the demanding we'll have here ahead of us until the end of the season, and a tough and aggressive opponents, and we need the players that had the feeling that we can do better.
And on Insama Joseph Pope Guardiola manager, and so Edema Manchester City to me to go for Gima, one more City ground Akropong our Forest Krumwa, on a certain Sam to Tona, to me at the Atsuga Stadio de Munili, a ho Anna Wolverhampton Wanderers, and Sonny AFC Bournemouth, and at their case to me Ashes so Antoine Samagnon, and so to me Genosia Kind, at Yama AFC Bournemouth, now no man to me Akon Kind or Henoka Cra, and also a free Wabawa St. James's Park, a ho Anna Newcastle United, and so any Liverpool. You never walk alone and the better casino a bit to me Ashes so El Honomokakra, judging Klopu, Ubiba Jeki, and so in some Kakre to ga for Liverpool, Abra will move remove our same James's Park.
And so tough one. Newcastle, best defense in the league. Lost only once, I heard now again. I didn't even know that. That was against us, and we needed a late goal. So obviously very, very consistent, which is the first step into success always. Yeah, will be absolutely interesting. So it's a tough place to go, was always for us. Hopefully we can build on the performance.
Hopefully, one will be to me a building on a performance and a midweek results on to me in Yan Mansono, to me a concainer in someone judging Klopo, and so to me Eddie Etuka, Jetty Emma, JT4, and so Old Trafford, the theater of dreams, the Red Devils, Manchester United, Eric Ten Hag, Marcus Rashford, Magic, a bit to me a Koso, and so El Homo welcome Leicester City, Nanyo Manso to me a concan Chinese for the room, and so El Ha Womokako Pimu, Old Trafford, Papa, your friend Eric Ten Hag. Together on your branch, your friend Marcus Rashford. Hey, and you're my concan, you know.
Maybe they have a different approach, and what we want to have a good team and a team who's competing for the highest in the world. We have huge ambitions, and that is what we want to fulfill. And we do it now with this team, but because we always want to strengthen in any place where it's possible.
Manchester City ambition and I say Manchester United one ambitions no so papa kesia kesenkwa we na go yi enti ma memfa so na minchi a stone way na nyoma so no enkonkan ye kesi go yi eno ne nsema Eric Ten Hag e di Etugas ambitions no so akesia kesenkwa ana no so edi nemu a ye bo enso edi ama etiefo na odrem wo Tottenham Hotspur Stadium game kesia e ba so e London derby ana betumi aba Tottenham Hotspur enso any West Ham United en che ya no pania ye friend Antonio Toto Conte coach enso edi ma Tottenham Hotspur openino sebi obenya etwoma yekoye ni surgery oye so ba 2 matches etwona sanso aka na hunti wa returning back to Italy into openino na ohwe chire ye friend Christian Stellini ono so ekasa kakra efa London derby game wa eno so eba so no
are a good team. They have a great skill in some point in some situation because they are a team that never consider a goal from set pieces. They are a team strong in set pieces. They are a team strong in the counter-attack. And they are a team strong because last season was a great season. They didn't change many players. So we have to be careful because they are a good team and it's a derby and that creates a good feeling for us, but also a good feeling for them. So it's an important game and we have to respect.
We need a Christian Stellini no dream and so the Tottenham Hotspur bra womuka ko hwemu and so woman West Ham dey akinsi no tumi ahihye so when games out draw top 5 major European leagues no and so ye dey atugayenhwe semba kumienu na efe so no ensi Manchester United na baye na hini bosum ni ekire kwa afini ye dey aba betuga se Glazers no etumi make ni clear so bi etabri sika pa so mu kasia di bewuremu a wo betumi ejemu and so the man na wo makwa akwaje wo mahome na Manchester United fans wo Twitter ni ade de bia yaw na Glazers out on your day. Woman so my brain into nay, woman shame and draw that deadline day. Now, Obibia, what person auto United or debate Ebeko a 10 p.m. GMT and in a deadline day. Nandra, deadline day no etume basono a 2 penny nupa and a woman so to me debate a coco cremu bakon and so every a no rima a mirror of kata. Ne bapa a mayor of Qatar ne ba ana ne onu so etumi agrema o hwenum so betumi atone chese newman so no etumi akonkan Sheikh Jazem bin Hamad Al Thani ana ne no onu so de ne be da kwa hwemu san so na hwemu a opani a onu so British billionaire ono no British billionaire ono so no ye friend no Sir Jim Ratcliffe ono so e de remiti 2 enenu penifoi ana ye hwenu se baako womo scrutinize niama hwehwehwemu a womo so we no se fata we no nimude aye the club ne mana ono so betumi agem ene de anisika nso ebe miti Glazers womo so valuation no na chese ye ja team nimu kra enso etumi e de amana no yenko tie tima ba ko be yemienu mu yentie se de andrada bid no abra womo send in no official confirmation no yentie
for Manchester United. Just in the last few minutes, I've been told that Sheikh Jazim bin Hamad Al Thani has made a substantial bid for Manchester United. He's the chairman of one of the biggest banks in Qatar, QIB Bank. He was also on the board of Credit Suisse, a big Swiss bank. I'm being told that he is a lifelong Manchester United supporter and that the club will be owned, if he wins the right to buy Manchester United, through a foundation called the 92 Foundation. I think it's named after the class of 92. And his vision for the club, I'm being told, is an emphasis on youth and also on putting money and investment into both the men's team and the women's team. And he also wants to redevelop Old Trafford. There will be a new stadium. There will be redevelopment of the whole area around Old Trafford as well. And crucially, I know this is very important for Manchester United fans, this deal, if he buys Manchester United, will be totally debt-free. So we won't have the situation we've had with the Glazer family where they bought the club in a leveraged buyout and the club has been paying more than £1 billion to service that debt, which is still, I think, around £500 million. This deal will be debt-free. Also, I've been able to find out Sheikh Jassim bin Hamad Al Thani is the son of the former Prime Minister of Qatar. There was lots of talk that maybe the former Prime Minister, his father, would be bidding for Manchester United, but it is not his father, it is him.
Yes, and on kakra nti no remove Facebook and YouTube Okoman Radio 97.1 ube say no official statement, Qatar statement no enenu shake no e de ba bonti niomo de Manchester United be nyina azigidi atoso ene official statement no ene niomo be nyina se de anawuti ebrofo no potokase mu no kire se Manchester United ebenya new stadium sanso ana club of 92 no oba be museum bia ene ukọ hwa obetuma nyina niomo awodo na efenso Manchester United ye nyina nim se wiase nyina ope club or the kapa ka ebon every year be I was spending more than $1 billion edi kutuyaka eye Manchester United sani o mani nyina openi so oba massa debt free oba betua ni nyina na efedi ekire enso etumi ayedin nti lete no ana ne eda ho na ekire se bibia no enso ekonkan odi pra obetumi akenkan bi because wo ambitions ni o ma ewo wo team se wo ba be ya Manchester United ni nyina openi no etumi a list ewo mu kama endrada wo mo de kan bid no wo de akokotum se kukurodo munhwem na se nei ma asem minkura mi boy emu yeda monfa club no enfa mame na bibia nso no entumi enye kama enche officially zigi obetumi e de openi na to so amam Lee Mason ono ana no ye VAR referee otine mu between Arsenal the Ghana say Emirates Stadium wa bra na wo ne Brentford dey akesi na hyehyɛ so na Arsenal e concede offside goal. Arsenal conceded an offside goal from an 18-year friend of Brentford, Ivan Toney, and utumi eshe sago na build up no na enenu Brentford for no na offside. Na so wo je no enya dia openi an ye friend Lee Mason referee. I think so osanso ye VAR referee asada no de no ono no hwe VAR ho no mo. Abrante no entumi and draw line we entumi am prompt referee no ama nuoma entumi ankonkan enti ye de sombo kapa na etumi ebo no ene officially openi de krata aba bonten ama referees association wo so de krata aba bonten so openi no wa retire o se eduma so obedi referee party onye bio na emom no osanso pacha we choro letter tenten e de ba bonten so pacha pa na ero we de we di akensi a ero we onye bi da we di akensi more than 500 Premier League games. More than 500 Premier League games. Mistake bi so onye bi da. Enti sa abade a ode nkuku ene ne nkaka. Referee Selom ya bless no mo ne nam krom gasa. Wo mu ntumi retire. Enye se kire se wo mu ayi on retire yo na emum no o kire se mfumso a waye eye beyond imagination. Enti ontumi nkoso endi matches bio emfa ma premiership no especially. Na ne ba ne se United States of America unim se ncheye wo mu sese wo mo sesa commentators nyina wo mo esesa wo mo ede wo mo ko enti wo mu hwenim so opani no obetumi aba MLS nim na wono so etumi aye nuoma kakra enso etumi de aboa won ne nsem a eno so efri oba ye de tuga hobasa enso etumi a confirm Mr. Branch friend no Pedri Gonzalez enso hamstring injury no enya ade obetumi return ne ya na emom no 2 to 3 weeks de Abrante ni ntumi nsi akan fama FC Barcelona ene ne kakra efri oba Toni Kroos enso player edema Real Madrid German international apapa ndi aba betuga say hey clubs ben wo mo Europe wo mo say UEFA Super Cup no anase Super League na e ba be bon wo mo ne ye nya adwen no e be ba so upa muntwe yene Barcelona Real Madrid yendi bebia yetima ni yetim enti ebeba so papa eno ye hopeful say any other clubs na wo mo twe wo mu efimu initially no wo mo be sanso about together na UEFA Super League no enso etumi aba so nti one de or second day or side just so I agree a content or ye bibia any English word bia into agreement bia no you see na fe describe ya brantia ye friend Tony Cruz and also in same kakra on also to go horma yete might here for FC Barcelona and so on failure brantia friend Julian Araujo or right back at Oba and so ababeboa abrana brantia friend of Bellerin and so Akupima was Sporting Lisbon into on so ababishim 3-year deal from LA Galaxy MLS in and brantia and so ababisia kind let's say Araujo Ebo 4 no na 2 no hono so no brantia friend Araujo ono so ebo into Ronald Araujo Julian Araujo wo mu bo ejire o na ye huru ana brema kwa media mo ne nsem a yere bobo no bai no ebetumi ediesimi jemu tiama eke na dwumedia wodo na enso etumi atoaso.
Okay, entino krobia enso edie no a ono so no etumi ede aba enso e dwumedia no se amana ne nsem enso eno no anene krobia enso ede mu nsem nyina ede aba top flight major European leagues no unu se na ochi ewie enso no ekoso ene china juada matches zurona enso no ebekoso the English Premier League, the Spanish Premier La Liga, and afinso no German Bundesliga, oko French League animuso enso no matches enso no ebekoso na ochi ewie Barima Akropong star 787 as emfa emao star 787 as enkamfo edi amao ene memenda benifo si esukura na eja na finso ya hem ene memedei ami pesika kakra mfa ma onso pesika efegu botom nyina ne se ene fa phone no bo star 787 as star 787 as nyanso pesika efegu botom na wabo star 787 as no enso no awie no tie option 1 na aba no choose anu ya choro play ewo ho aha otu achu play wi na just say ede wako buy tickets nti no ticket dudo bi a pesa oto no ewo ho so be so oto miensa enum ensia edu no ye frɛ no eye full house so to ase nti anka me no wa meto full house no na say be bawure chances say me be win no enso osoro ano pa metie mi utoguma enkobo eye no mienu no 2 pm no ye be raffle na ede ticket dudo na oto no ba ko bawure ma wo akwenya so benya 10,000 Ghana cedis enka titi sika no 100 million na say nso no ode agu botom na enwumere no 7 pm no nso no ne ye jackpot no so ye be ye eno so akwenya no wo ho so be win 700,000 Ghana cedis ni nyina no star 787 as jackpot no star 787 as jackpot and American for Eddie amount. Now jackpot in Benford say auto tickets no do na. So when you win 700,000 na o tickets ni like ni bi wurema. Wa kwenya say 45,000 Ghana cedis, 20,000 Ghana cedis, 10,000 Ghana cedis, 5,000 Ghana cedis. Ni yan utumidi and so now star 787 as and so no aso ye star 787 as aso ye and so no wurema na say when you see kama na bibia enso no etumi akoso e de ma anope fa nwuram mbeti amera ho but eno gora no nipa bididi ndi sika na yepe ntimi so anope maka egom a enche eno so no ebobo 2 pm pepe na rafo no ame ado na mitifa na mi wuram 7 pm jackpot on say de bia maka chem say jackpot na e target no nti eno so no eno no frem panyifo enso na pe enchichiri mu e wo 0559 689 948 0559 689 948. WhatsApp no answer 0272 636 448 0272 636 448. Now if you star 787 as and pay for so no any enkomo omuno mukre mu anopay yedin sem ahodo no nyina and so no bana still issues ho Ghana Premier League nkomo ho and every pay ba be diamana nkomo when you sabi ya for never touch on leaks no na fin so various clubs Twitter and also no eba yarifa yenua Christian Achu Ziggy, I don't know Zebia ready ana or the battle so amame ana yehu various tweets ani teams no ana clubs award on and so na dey ba yarifa yenua Christian Achu ukopie mu and so na Chelsea team no and so na to me the aba on Facebook Chelsea for as a everyone at Chelsea Football Club is devastated to learn of the tragic passing of our brother, our former player, Christian Achu. Our thoughts go out to his family and friends, and so Chelsea for and somebody abantu ko Facebook abo say Ziggy dia tour kama Chelsea for so no etimi area ba Newcastle United Newcastle for and so the woman some about onu say achu and so no esia kan and so my Newcastle bobo no na Newcastle for Eddie Omodi about we are profoundly saddened to learn that Christian Achu has tragically lost his life in Turkey's devastating earthquakes. A talented player and a special person, he will always be fondly remembered by our players, staff, and supporters. Rest in peace, Christian. And on Newcastle United, there I'm also Eddie Abba AFC Bournemouth for and so on to me the message about Ninya Bobo Kwa Achu and so to me boy now the English Premier League in the Mundina, you know, heavy on Chelsea, Newcastle, now AFC Bournemouth. Now it's so heavy. AFC Bournemouth, I say we are saddened to learn of the passing of Christian Achu. The thoughts of everyone at the club are with his family and friends at this awful time. And also AFC Bournemouth there, I'm also at me Edia Bana Everton. And said the one dia Bana say Achu su wure mo Everton e bobo on kakra and so no at me Edimom Everton Football Club and so they about also as we are deeply saddened by today's news that Christian Achu has been found dead following the earthquake in Turkey earlier this month. Our thoughts are with his family, friends, colleagues at Hatayspor, and everyone affected by this tragic event that has claimed so many lives. Rest well, and also no Christian Everton. I'm somebody ama Christian Achuna former players ni bin so akasa I know the two so be me dey we meant man yen say no o pia ko enu kaka na o mu na be go asenas John Terry so no atwiti John Terry atwiti or say rest in peace my friend and also ne dia what me ede aba and so no na the French League no and so dia aba almost say rest in peace, Christian Achu. Our thoughts go out to his friends, family, and loved ones. And here, friends, like also tweet somebody about Mubarak Wakaso. Unum son and Adam for Chuchu Mupo, pa, the Chuchu Mucho, and so any Christian Achu. Mubarak Wakaso. I say rest well. And also need the idea by say Utinu super papa. FC Barcelona. Barca and so to me the tweet and I'm gonna say rest in peace, Christian Achu. Good luck. Hatayspor FK. That's the FC Barcelona. And so Twitter, almost on me Edia but now BBC Sports, BBC4, and so now reports yes, Christian Achu has been found dead under the rubble of his home almost 2 weeks after the Turkey earthquake. His agent has confirmed. Our thoughts go out to his friends, family, and loved ones. And all BBC Sports. Now FIFA, and so now to my Twitter, the Football Federation, no. Amanfo tweet papa. FIFA say sending our deepest condolences to Christian's family, friends, and everyone at Hatayspor. Rest in peace, Christian. I know. And so now FIFA for there. I'm also not at me. Eddie Abba and so na Ghana Football Association. And so the Abba Ghana Football Association. I say the Ghana Football Association has received the sad news of the recovery of the body of Christian Achu from the rubble following the earthquake that struck southern and central Turkey on Monday, February 6, 2023. May his soul rest in peace. And so a Ghana Football Association Omodia Amonsono Etimi Ede Aba Yana Club Obo Hatayspor FK and so now Turkey Hatayspor 4 and so at our reporting I'm gonna say sorry for your loss. The funeral of our football player Christian Achu who lost his life under the collapse, or who lost his life under the collapse, is on his way to be sent to his hometown, Ghana. We will not forget you, Achu. Peace be unto you, beautiful person. There are no words to describe our sadness. Rest in peace. And also, Hatayspor. And so, there, over to me, the Abba. Various teams, Obia, report. Valencia, report. Leganes report Levante munyina so no report and so na sanso na bobu kwa ne din and so no PSG omunya no and so no report and so no brupem ni nyina so no yedi munsem and so no ebeba players ahodo no and so no report na ebe se niam ni bi Amanfo no post to Facebook no ebe se munua busuan kakra munua adofo kakra se pictures bi circulate a and no said that who said at this time no kwabia who said that here South say is how we know yes who said that here say Omunjin ebusia won nipa no kakra. But sa picture no mo circulate on Facebook na unya se hebe posti on unya se hebe posti. Because njin ebusia won then ya abrante na aye na dan na adwire gu no so na otare dan ho no. Unya se hebe posti. Nti Ghana Football Association so dia almost no de aba and so no Ziggy. I'm sure no you can see Ziggy heavy papa. So Amanfo ensa eka various information about our Christian Achu. John Terry tweeting now. Say rest in peace, my friend. I say and also I don't know. Malaga and soon say Achubo Malaga kakra. Our Spanish La Liga name. Amanfo nimo. Achu no both teams papa. Both teams papa. FC Porto munyina no. Abo onza hona obe Gini din papa. Achu FC Porto. Gini din wo musa FC Porto for so no atumi ade omodi aba. Amenkan emfama na who send FC Porto for so na reporting news so I'm say it is with deep sorrow that we received the news of the death of Christian Achu, one of our 2013 champions. May he rest in peace. To the family and friends, we send our deepest condolences. Message we extend to all the victims of the earthquake in Turkey and Syria, and also no FC Porto. Also, dear, omotimi ade aba and so and no ebiba. Ebaba Doors of Valencia munyina report in there. Liverpool munyina report. Georgian Klopp and so na kasabare news amesaka say and you know I mean silent abekoso the English Premier League no ebra Liverpool ni Newcastle ebebono I mean silent and so no abekoso ho ye medi nkomo amanane nkomo mema abejafo sima edududu na se obi ade remu amanane ni obeso touch one ma sha se free solo amanane nsem baby solo person de fa solo mentio.
Okay, that's it. Minchia Tifo and Afia Shefwa almost so ya share our Facebook and YouTube nani yenchi omo. Andra and Sheikh Jassim bin Hamad Al Thani at the bid for Manchester United. Ne tona or more tono and so ebe jiremu. Say we are ready. 5 billion a year pounds no. A United the first or more ton club no. Ono so beba beto. Na fe what take control our United team nim na wa hwe. Senior ma betumi akonkan. Ade ama United bobo ko no. Wo hwe ni statement or the ba ya. E kire say why are ready for United adwuma no. Because a club there ebe ko nanim na club na betumi a perform ya. One ejina usika sam so. 2 club and facilities about training grounds, training pitch, stadium, and I feel offices are hurrah when the bay juma gym centers are players and not the bay training. And then the Akikani no. And on the bois and my clubs no so to me performing. And I feel playing body no so no. Obema quality players. Now I'm a quality coach. On so about the technical side on so be to me abwa. And no any statement or the buyer. Nioma we nyina our statement in him. So why are you ready for Manchester United? Of late Qatar no and I say Asia no and a football no. You can say omo air dominating. Clubs are omo kita leaders omo free that side no. Yehu how omo di sika ewuram our football name. Ama almost spend it, invest it, and the ama that clubs no, and you who clubs no so performance, and the any mukulano. Paris Saint-Germain, Hassan Khalafi, Ebaye, and we have the modern moi, all done at the EDMA, PSG, a coffee for players be Eddie Beshe more PSG. The first signing, na a year key, a year no den, a year near with Coffee Nema. Edini free Barcelona 222 million. Na nema ebe shemu edema bobo kwani di Paris Saint-Germain. Enu enso Okoman ekokofa Kylian Mbappe ni edikan loan omo sign no. Na omo sign ebe fa no krampo ebe ye permanent player. I will see akan edema club and the Paris Saint-Germain. Ni eni musa so edidimu ama akofa Messi, akofa goalkeeper Donnarumma wakofa Sergio Ramos de aba and aside that no kra no okofa obi ti say Idrissa Gana Gueye no when the peak Everton de ne be share omo Medford no ebe ka Marco Verratti enso ye ho eko Manchester United eko PK player free Angel Di Maria no mu na ebe share mo Paris Saint-Germain and omo modern mono ade a eko soro. Yes, to mean dominate here. Europe there, but you call the domestic side French League One. After say that Akropong and so take control. Team name. Yeba Manchester City. Yehunia City team no so. To me almost be uremono. Eko Bayern Munich kofa Pep Guardiola. Edine by a belly team no say or member coach team no and the modern Man City no. Dia Guardiola and so by a to me the man club and the Manchester City winning English Premiership no and so several times and the Manchester City bobo kono and you know where players are what sign do ma ba be hihiem was City bobo ko ni mu a e kira wo se almost modern mono ade a e wo soro latest one Erling Haaland player now won the peak Borussia Dortmund ko fa the buy Tama City kono na Real Madrid no mu na no club star no mo pesa abrante no ko fa no ko Aston Villa ko fa Jack Grealish no captain Aston Villa team no so any main man dey Aston Villa bobo ko no to so ko fa ne bae mo no so ba bebo adwuma dey ma club and dey and so Manchester City Bernardo Silva no mu na players almost City bobo ko no Rodri from Atletico Madrid Akofo di na be share mfimfi wonom ejija certain players be to say Fernandinho no mu na akwan mo ekoye ti na say almost so meaning for business and if it wonom City so dominate EPL name yakwa Europe ye be hu say season bia ye be Champions League no ye nya Manchester City wono so performing and so ye wo mo latest Newcastle bobo ko no Newcastle almost ebe so mu no mu down kra EPL nim but then ye boy EPL ni abobo top 4 and also even top 6 currently EPL nim a Newcastle bobo ko no and so dominate modern money ade a almost so to me can we a couple of players almost so yasensan wo mu a natural also meaning for business and be man Newcastle team no a compete and so European football and so yemo sabi and ye na ye hope is Manchester United team no be yes United a big club EPL name and e ba na Europe almost and so a big club and so dominate pen performing year pen winning trophies need do no happen but this time around after say Alex Ferguson eja tibo no ekoye no United performance no and she dem call ye send ye hu am till say Eric Ten Hag eba ono so ahya ase eye ne yoman kakra ensa katafo the bed ne adwira mu say ye turn the mom a ye hwe dem so betumi aye ne a Man City Paris Saint-Germain Newcastle no mo so eye enso e football nim be say sika akwa tuto players and all here players ahya ase de omani target to some akwa fast players they aba some players no ye players ye known football na ye bono enso emunti ba yes ebetumi aboa United and ye na ye hwe nim say san hyehyɛ de agu akwan mu no ebetumi afa na Manchester United enso etumi apeja e de akwa nanim yami adoma Chelsea we 3 p.m. ebebo against club and the Southampton Stamford Bridge and Southampton a club will be almost here biggest clubs England and some clubs find it difficult to score them but Chelsea a club back one or to miss Southampton especially Stamford Bridge say only Chelsea airborne na Chelsea be lose so dey am Southampton make say last 3 seasons and Southampton cost Stamford Bridge ekonya 3-3 draw honomo against Chelsea if it two idea ben na no games on my ball was Stamford Bridge no Chelsea enya that 3 maximum points no and so to me this season 2 teams in performance league no so no and sheda enko here Southampton that 20th position our leg log no so kita 15 points and over Chelsea Chelsea ekita 31 points at that 10th position and so our leg so it is Southampton the relegation zone of them Chelsea were middle table our leg log and so and over Chelsea so performance this season Newman share down ko years FM Chelsea bobo ko Graham Potter de yaka bebre no and the afa Graham Potter and any ni team Chelsea and so and ye teams no mienu performance obi aye sign transfer window no but we have Southampton so sign some ye Chelsea almost so many abre and Ghanaian born and as a Ghanaian international Kamadin Sulemana Okoye no on match Southampton team no best performance mission game against Wolverhampton Wanderers and we have baller or boy that day at the Southampton Bobo Kona that game no so this wuram our Stamford Bridge kwa kweshia Chelsea asane a club ya di kan no say ono against Aspilicueta and they players aka o Chelsea no no ebeden e dey ma Chelsea bobo no and here hwese sa game no ebe kwa kwesi sen we two teams no on last 5 games performance Omatumi Putin Chelsea last 5 games no we win back up and our draw 3 and lose 1 and the last time at Chelsea e win no January 15th against Crystal Palace or Stamford Bridge and I can't have it in 1 goal at the MR Chelsea Bobokono. If it won Chelsea to me win or draw against Liverpool or draw against Fulham or draw against West Ham United and another at the Champions League name or Coco Lucia at the MR Borussia Dortmund. And the EP and Chelsea last 4 games no were to me I draw 3 and we lose a back up and we win back on. So Chelsea performance no and share that enko ye compare to Southampton. Southampton last 5 games we lose 4 and we win back and we no no against Blackpool and we to me nya Newman share that enko ye EP and Mankasa lega omo ebo no lose to Newcastle United or Sanso lose here at my Brentford and lose here at the Emma Wolverhampton Wanderers bobo kono enti no so mu ye den at the Emma club and the Southampton and the last time Omni Chelsea boy no I know Southampton home or we need Chelsea by 2-1 and the game no easy game sir and the Graham Potter ojada ni chem supporters ne cassette no enyoma mu bed but double chance for Chelsea e game win Chelsea enya 3 points now at least on benya 1 point e wo the mu lose game win.
Okay, and also pass solo there adia ba efia mona ne kobia rem kakra e wa mona ne na
monone no
e ofie
yenye ne se ana 30 no mbom ne
ye fan film ye ntino fatwa so nasimu
well okay be be chia etfo bi a very good morning pa enko enfama obibia mintia obibia honorable Kofi Asante Bempo one ne ho kani madam Maria michia mu nyina ne obibia mo mi hu ma chekakra but ne nyina mu no eye ntino no na mintia keche trend fashion designers no mintia o manope well okay weekend yi weekend I think that game ama dodo na yebehwe no uremu English Premiership no now the race between Manchester United, Arsenal and that of Manchester City no hit up pa from the starts now share how Arsenal started season no na o share modern na team wa friend of Manchester City so no adepe in form compared to last season as a defending champions anywhere they ended the season last season they remove this particular season no now in your mind shadam kuye a new team, a new manager, a new environment for some of the players ever be PMU Manchester United and Eric Ten Hag Premiership no being the first time and I say ne top club away to me as Manchester United managing Manchester United and playing in the English Premiership Terino na bibiano different and so Edema Eric Ten Hag on so about with few other players are now also Lisandro Martinez no more Casemiro or that experience but Premiership new to him some other players now players in the United front no na woma deep in former and your man shadanko ye enfama womo but I think say in all she say the last, especially post World Cup, you call Eddie by no the last 2 months, Manchester United the modern bono to me apeja yepa and Oshe points are mukita on the league log 46 points to that of 51 being the first team and second. I think that they are also in for the title chase, and Man United the Jumana Womo and Abua Womo in the sense that now Ubibia ni and that so they were not counted amongst teams that now womo to me then go all out in winning the league. So and that pressure no United so because now obviously Arsenal start ye and Obabenya that mileage you were talking about Arsenal, we were talking about Liverpool, we were talking about Timwa. Your friend of Manchester City, obviously, but no man then and Chelsea na under Thomas Tuchel na Obibia Sheni Musankombe start season to me and start year and Obibia fed up. Who say Chelsea more than one to me nkonkan abra or more Graham Potter baby remuno and for that side I think the Manchester United and so egusu awomo and they are a team also Obibia to me and show in the league because this is a team Oshia. The top 5 teams now honestly to me give you up a fight by especially meeting Arsenal, Liverpool, Manchester City already or the City Liverpool at 20 level or the Arsenal at 20 level or draw with Chelsea and then Manchester City or lose to Manchester City. In the second round, we would see how Manchester United will fare against his 8 competitors, and so our league in this second half and one more form now one more day ban so onwarding. So Manchester United against Leicester City, I think it's Old Trafford with a form any momentum. There is Senegia, Manchester United team. I think the understanding with the group, one more bet to me give you up a fight. Leicester City a sweet victory over Tottenham Hotspur, scoring 4 goals past them. But coming to Old Trafford, and I think it will be another tough game for Leicester City. So to me handle the pressure any momentum Manchester United at the banner, especially when I want to answer Europe, Akuffo or Spotify the company, the environment, the euphoria, any BB and one to me stand with it in a pointed to me the baby PMO, and that again a bit to me abuwa so to me victory over team my friend of Leicester City. Arsenal Via Park and very tough game at Arsenal the Gunners this time round because pressure no 3 straight games one more out of 9 possible points one more 1 Lucy out on 8 points 3 games they are on winless round one more at the air by Kaku Remo via Unai Emery a former manager at Arsenal and so and he would have to also prove a point and now he would want to prove a point against Arsenal to see or also in a pedigree need to be to me and so at the Abba on board and whenever teams say meaty one old eneno ejuma mpenifo no one no eyana and also a problem pa so you can see say players are moving from other teams other teams in one mushia one mota ehye one parent clubs no ye and sana enemy hwe ni mu say Unai Emery so ebe to me a very difficult game for Arsenal but I don't know how Ateta able to me as psyche players the players themselves won't be to me coming over 3 games one to me winning with prospect any results momentum and more kuta in the league now but I don't know how they would recover against Villa and Villa Park. Very difficult game and I think a betting Arsenal's best I mean who say at least this particular time won't be to me a drawn game and so not with Aston Villa team but open your original touchline Obejina daga out ni mu diama Villa no Unai Emery and I name ba behwe and so that particular game ni mu I think for Nottingham Forest no one so to me prove stubborn a City ground one more against Liverpool against Chelsea few other teams but with Pep Guardiola and then team no one more that first spot one more I think one more start a winning games at the end a bad thing at the Nottingham Forest to me I stop it City runner woman so a day and City able to me that maximum win and so I to me at the Abua in the Serie A 18 points clear and a new team Jeffrey no Napoli to me at the Atumu and another pressure at the AC Milan at the Juventus I ne no wɔn 15 points no still wɔn gu so ayɛ perform hwɛ how a wɔn anya results bi a ɛkyerɛ sɛ wɔn ɛyɛ very hopeful sɛ appeal a wɔn de atum no positive bi betumi afiri mu aba na 15 points wɔn nya ne back a wɔn betumi put up a fight. So they are also coming in a wɔn winning games no ɛde ɛba Inter Milan and ɛne Udinese ana ɛbɔ pressure ana ne Napoli ato de ama wɔn nyinaa sɛ wɔn betumi anya points no and as ene no team a wo chase no ewi ni kono the more pressure ana no so de eba also and eno na ebe ma some of the points any games bi a wo se wo mu win no wo mu betumi abottle no na eno so etumi aye results a wo mu empe either lose and say draw bi betumi akomu and so e de ama so I think this real ne de one horse race e de ama Napoli 18 points de eke ebe ten de ama any other team say obetumi aba because you don't see Napoli losing form, you don't see them losing games consistently. If say umbo losing game cra it won't be consistent, so umbo lose 2-3 games at a trot ebe den and so e de ama so aye game but we remo La Liga and so Barcelona ne Real Madrid. I think that Barcelona guswa but ene womo go into the game Ronald Araujo abrante no womo ebe missing ewo echire ho and so ewo honomo very hard one for Barcelona and so no ene abrante friend no Pedro Gonzalez and so nya abrante obetumi si akan and so ediama yenim how influential that boy has been for Barcelona in the midfield. And then they womu Lucy Busquets, so no any abrante a friend of Pedrinho. I don't know Busquets available, but as to say obey to me, see a kind of day, and also a coach, your friend of Xavi and others no be to me decided. So a very good weekend, and you share most of the games, you know. So you share how the weekend will pan out in the top 5 major European leagues, and how the struggle teams, you know, any one more so more than more no, they will also fare against their opposing teams in this weekend. And coming up on Monday, no, you be discussing a lot about games to me at the Akosuno.
All right, and here Kobe Aman and so dia ultimate area ba Yembrani and Fefisem Embetua so and Fama Ghana Premier League on the weekend matches do run and so no Ebekoso and so now Hantino. You may remember nothing so no at the fixtures no. And reactions kakra wono and so ediaba.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own.
I was a fire farted bit kakra our local stories in the so to me and fema. Yan shall see Fire free Division 1 leg, Access Bank Division 1 leg, no matches ahura nyame aduma also na watwe awie and so Homa Day 16 Zone 1A stay NTS State Fast Oboboko no ebeshia DBB United that Ali Muhammad Sports Stadium nyame aduma and 3 p.m. and as a game no and so so Sanso and Kasina Nankana United and Wasunta ebebo wo hene Ameya Sports Stadium and also ye 3 p.m. and as a game never so watching matches no why Yasin Juniors any Kumbimbim FC ebebo wo ohene Ameya Stadium na fe mana FC Asia 11 Wonders ewo Malik Jaber Sports Stadium and all your games are ebeba so Zone 1A Zone 1B say NTM Sunday and also no etumi akwaso brekum Arsenals ewo Golden City Park ebeshia Young Apostles na fe Sunyano Coronation Park boafo akwata no enso ni BA United e dia boani e derby game pa at the Shemaine Park no Mighty Royals ebeshia Balfour Soccer Academy na Unity FC enso na Nkranza Warriors eshia ewo Nanafo Suji Abo Park on Monday yeba Zone 2 say na tia Saturday 3 p.m. ewa Joshua Kessier Park Pacific Heroes ene Asikem FC Bebo na fe Sunday matches no Nzima Kotoko enso eshia Elmina Sharks ewa Ampiam AAK the second sports arena Lincoln Sports Stadium niwe Dubiasi United enso ene Baseke Holy Stars ebebo na Gomwa Fete Wafam eshia eye Future Stars Boboko no Robert Mensah Stadium CC Mysterious Ebusia Dwarfs na se Cape Coast Mysterious Ebusia Dwarfs also and Sky FC ebebo na Soccer Intellectuals Asia Kempon Academy ewo Eduyaw Asansan Park na fe Swedro Stadium no Swedro All Blacks Asia Nations FC Boboko no na Ejoso Kessier Asokwa Deportivo and so ni Bobo Kwende and so this Seshu All Stars at the Abweni Yako Zone 3 Zone 3 A5 Rangers Saturday Tema Sports Stadium omnya Tram Division ebebo ene nasa game na ebeba so na fe watchina near J Kraku the second sports complex Kofroidia Sempe enso ene Ankete United edi abo ene Tema Sports Stadium Tudo Mighty Jets Ebeshia Vision FC na Achim Otafo Rovers Park Tusubribi SC ene Crystal Palace Academy enso di abo ene Karedov Park Wadan Soma Liberty Professionals Ebeshia Golden Cakes Bobokono na fe Kpando Heart of Lions ewa Kpando Stadium omosone na ne Bobokono ebebo Akachi College of Education Akachi All Stars Ebeshia Bobokwani de Edi Volta Rangers na ewa Tema Sports Stadium on a Monday 3 p.m. na God FC and so Asia Tema Youth Bobokono yan league table no sani etia wa Access Bank Division 1 league no so yako zone 1A 11 Wonders 80 kan kita 31 points bibiani the BB United tosumienu 26 points wa sunta etosumiensa ewo 26 and afa State Fast etosue 924 Mana FC tosuenum 20 points wa Yasin Juniors etosu insia 15 points and akasina nankana tosue enson 14 points and aboboko chato kumbibim FC etosue watwe 9 points enekito mo zone 1B Bafakwata no Dikai 32 points. Young Apostles Tosumienu 31 points. Nkranza Warriors Tosumiensa 26. Mighty Royals Tosu 9 25 points. Bafo Soccer Academy Etosuenum 20 points. BA United Tosunsia 17 points. Brekum Arsenal Tosu and Song 13 points. And after Unity FC Chatuo almost Ekita minus 5 points. And Ekito Muntu Omu de Omu Boni na near to Omu points no. And so ewo ehonemo na yako zone 2 Sky FC Dikai 37 points. Nations FC Tosumienu 32. So Edro Oblast Tosumiensa 27. Inzima Kotokom etosu 9 omo 25. Asekam Tosuenum 23 points. Ohwenu adubiase otosunsia ono so ekita 22 points. And so ehonemo ene omina sharks etosu 12 Ekita 15 points and afe relegation Mysterious Abusuan Dwars 14 over 14 points. Soccer Intellectuals tosu 15 14 points and Asokwa Deportivo etosu 18 ekita otosu 16 and wano ekita 13 points and so ewo honemo zone 3 Heart of Lions Edikan 35 points in Ekita Lions Sempa FC Omufriko Forudia Omutosumienu 29 points. Now God FC ewo third position ekita 26 points. Crystal Palace etosuwe 9 25. Liberty Professionals etosuwe 21. Vision FC and so etosunsia omo 21 points. Yeko last three na A5 Rangers 14th position 14 points. Tudo Mighty Jet tosu 15 10 points. And Atama Youth etosu 16 almost minus 23 points. It almost all going now na yet your points. And so our no yet and so our Access Bank Division 1 League no and so you young Ghana Premier League match day 18 na ya senia na what you know and also to me at here our honomo and dra me diama Esha Academy enu editia Legon City sa amonso entumi ante na mom say na tie ene enso atreman 3 p.m. ewo Nana Kramansa Park Omnia Santo Kotoko team no ene bebo na fei ochina Accra Heart of Folk ewo Accra Sports Stadium Asia Diana Stars Boboko no 3 p.m. Bechem United ene Accra Great Olympics bebo na Amanfo Suji Aboa Park 3 p.m. Tamale Cities ene Kerala United bebo ewo Tamale Sports Stadium 3 p.m. Dreams FC Ebeshe Bibiani Gold Stars ewo Deu Park and also at 3 p.m. Now for FC Samates 1996 and the Real Tamale United ebebo ewo Insetra Sports Complex and also ebeba so at 3 p.m. Now for 6 p.m. Ghana time King Faisal Bobokono Asia Boboko and the Brekum Chelsea ewo Babanyara Sports Stadium. Sa game no yesha se ebeba so Babayara and I say Bakoso ewo Ablankese Dr. Kwame Che Sports Complex wono and no Sanya Tibiano ya de honkomo and so at the beba na wa Sanya Tinti no ya Ghana Premier League match day 18 and won shesha kakra e de amawo yenko dim koma kakra and so ewo nsama huru Amanfo so e de atugwa na Fred Papo and so former GFA president na papa no emre bi atwamo emra katiye so krakuno mo so ejira ya se anka yento aba no sanfa mom no osan so ejira ya se yento aba no Enfema ono Fred Papo nanka wombramba ye president enso ewa Ghana hanom nanso wanya nansan de osise say won kobiem eno ne ya wode abedwuram na mom ono ne ebisa no e de fa coach adidin enso e de coach who Chris Houghton na appointment ayede ama no enso ewa Black Stars no enso ho ene ne Fred Papo 18 komo enso Chris Houghton say ono ne ya yi no say one man be Black Stars head coach ye nim yes dodo ayede ama no ye nim ne salary sika wo ba beje na wan kasa wunim die mu no wa ba be da efe na no pen wo hwe Chris Houghton na o ba be lead Black Stars na o kasa yi and afan Fred Papo enkomo de to ye nim ni.
The results will come, but you must be doing good things consistently over a period of time. The results will come. If you are not patient, say you show 1, 2, 3, now you sack your coach. Then every day you have to go and look for a coach. Then the new coach comes in, he has to start working, blah 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 blah. Get used to the players. When is getting used to the players? Now as I can do things like that. You see, it's like you are taking one step. So it's like you can only move forward in very 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 slow progressions. The FA has selected Chris Houghton and then maintained George Boateng referencing Massey. And I'm sure most of the cast staff will be maintained. I think that is good.
And where your friend Papo to Chris Houghton, home come kakra no dey to gwa no. You say beside say oh ba no or who dey say obe to me deliver down e dey am on my Ghana na so no dey say obe deliver so on to me deliver on to me nkan onimo hwe fa ho na emom Nyankopon ko ananim say Chris Houghton ba o ba no obe to me deliver e dey am Ghana and say want to me deliver.
Your continent is about we should spend quite a lot of time thinking through what happened, what were the good lessons we should pick, what were the bad lessons we should learn from, and things like that. I don't know whether it's been done or so, but I think it's something that needs to be done. I know the match, but then if you're looking at the personality, the personal profile, I'm not the one here to come and do marketing for Chris Houghton. I only met him a few times, nice gentleman, perfect gentleman. But I believe he's got quite some good experience. But for me, the most important thing or asset it comes into the team with is the fact that he's been around the team for about 1 year, and that is a very very important thing.
No, sama Fred Papo also they are to gwati ye ka Black Stars ho sam ne de ye nko Kamadin Sulemana enso ya so ye ono Black Stars winger osi akan ene ye de ma Sadantin Boboko no our English Premiership na so ye mo Kamadin Sulemana say okobo AFCON no call World Cup no obeka say a good experience watumi anya our the football career mo.
One of the best experiences I've ever had. I played my first tournament with Ghana was the AFCON, and it's so different from the World Cup. The World Cup is a whole different game, and it was a good experience for me, and a lot to learn from. It's a great honor. It's a great honor. We are about 30 million people in the country, and then you've been chosen. It's a great honor, and once you're on the pitch, there's no holding back. You just have to give your all, because there are so many people looking up to you, so many people depending on you. So there's a bit of pressure there, but without pressure, we don't do our best. Without pressure, we are not getting out of our comfort zone. So it's a great honor to play for the national team, and I'm looking for.
And I Kamadin Suleiman and so come on. God in a bloody coach at the marking first abobokono. Also, share him second round way. King first at Timono, or Mumadim one bet to me a page and Empo relegation zone, almost said to me a escapee.
Some watching them performance, but we only I'm more than a bit of squad. I yet first. I think I'm more than the second round.
God in a bloody ne crap part, ya did you no, and I said, take bet to the DSC no, our local stories in him. Issa Ahmed, a player and Canadema Asante Kotokobokono, or Mohamed Al Hassan, moving to Asante Kotokono, a dear Babuapa, a good things, our Branton and Casa, and also Nabrabum.
From a big club to another, expectations extra, but also building confidence now. Actually, a closely team because it's a company has live relay extra. As a player, we feel as a backup. Thanks to expecting more happy. Any mistake behind it goes against you. Well, yeah, a very nice move. When say national team, every platform of a national team, and I could have shown that balance. And make sure other side boosting the chances of a national team there and clubs from outside. So it's a good move.
Isa Ahmed ena woteno enka no ebreni ti yedibesi na ose oya kotoko adako jache project no mo ye no management a etwa mu no omo ye bia and current management we enso e try e bo adwuma e de ye makotoko se adako jache no ni ama so betumi akoye yentro support enfemo mo ne mo mpa enfemo mo se omo nimdie any adwempa omo wo fa adako jache no sa project no bibia betumi akonka emrepam na ne no ye de beba na onso ahu se ne yete ye de besi na fa dwuma de nkan no ato aso.
All right, enti Pastor Paradise and then fisem kakra e wono ono so no e de aba mema na ewura mu na jese ya be di Ghana Premier League nkomo onim se na wachi ewie matches no dodo na e koso enu ada media ma enso etumi echi Lagos Cities ebo na kan mienu a Lagos Cities enso no entumi ante baransa na no aminka se star 787 star 787 me kan fo edi amount ene memeda yes ene memede ye pesika edi egu ye bottom entene no fa phone na boss star 787 na so pesika if you go bottom early bed no ye ma 10,000 Ghana cedis so nya kunya na onso no to ticket na win raffle na 10,000 Ghana cedis and I no pay so de be ma enumere jackpot no so no 3 year jackpot no 700,000 Ghana cedis o heti a onso no odem why heti jackpot no po na ne no raffle no and I say o ticket a beto dodo na etumi ewurema wa kunya 45,000 Ghana cedis Samson and no 10,000 Ghana cedis 20,000 Ghana cedis 5,000 Ghana cedis ni nyina no star 787 hash and so no ebetumi ere ama adwumadi no so enti wuram na afin so no star 787 hash and so no fa ho jim na embo na sika emra ubotom solo Ghana Premier League
ya make ma sha say the 300 game wa ene so etumi eba so Mediama ene Lagos Cities and so ade no and wo hwe Mediama e tenafie eshe 2-0 that game no na kiane ke hebe ko de ama club and the Mediama on performance no na they na was soro and yes start second round we will first game e will fear so we lose there na mpempe no so we lose na nioma jinse ma the amount ye mo mabasom e wada victory a omo enya ye no enso ye mo and then Kumasa Santoko oko ebe ko nso atre akwakobo against a club and the other in Sotreman oya that game na anobe the first leg no Kotoko Eshe so Atreman by 2-1 and in Sotreman for nakasa say dubious penalty and ejidema Kotoko eno mutumi edi win here omo Kotoko for eba no omo so ba benya win and so e wo Kotoko team no so first round no only had to folk and etumi e call in so Atreman efie ekonya win edi efiri ho no mo club bia akwa na omo je points no edi fi omo ye nchen omo points a omo accumulate ye wo first round mo no dodo no a eye ni omu nyaaye enso e wo efie no inti omo home grounds wo pa their performance no enso e ya de a e konkan Kotoko nso omo first round performance e wo away games no na no so ye poor anuama nkoyie enfe ma Kotoko enti se sa anuama no say wuremu wo second round we mu there any game no make us be call for Kumasa club and the dey so Atreman so umbenya that 3 maximum points no but Kotoko eba de ha ebelusu ye e dey ma Dreams FC ansa na wo ba be call so atre enti omu belusu ato asumenu no so no eno so be den e dey ama club and the dey so Atreman we players ekita Kotoko player by player there anka Kotoko de nim essence of Atreman Bobo Kono, or her former Mukwala no Muenya, or her Richard Lamptey, Richmond Lamptey, no, I recover from injury and so about performance on the Emma Rashid not no more Medford one or more. No Mubelu Suye at the Emma Dreams FC no, or more Cosa game no, a bad dinner the man so Atreman best, I that game and so a bad draw.
So, Mammy announce the phone lines and then to so our games in the more 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 and also free for WhatsApp on Sam and so no ebe kayen enso no ewo ho sanso na ene no uwrem enso a WhatsApp messages no eno so no obetimi de aba enso no ewo dwumadie no so 0551667755 0551667755 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 and so ofra I say usu dem na ene wadi nkomo solo
Accra Great Olympics team no asesa coach Akropong-Akuapem Bismarck Kopimensa de naba na coach ani de ya pre kwama yi na sinchen enne nyame adom o chena game ombebo no omo ko bechem ekwa koshia Bechem United team no ebe Bismarck Kopimensa first game a obo as head coach Ediama Accra Great Olympics bobo kono ye ko Bechem nso a ye hwe team ekita Bechem United a anoye den coach Kasim Mengo experienced coach a be 3 seasons ni consistency no adwuma enso on the side wo Bechem United bobo kono enso yemu player ba akoko a obenya different player obeyi no ho
solo Amanfo kola wa na yemeto aso hello hello okay na yumurum na fin so no ya nisa na ono so no entimin kan papa what hello yes but good morning but you didn't baby afrefi hello yes master Tiemo hello but you didn't baby afrefi I'm say entimin kan maminfa we wa ha hello good morning but you didn't baby afrefi
hello.
Good morning, but you didn't baby Afrefi.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good morning, you didn't baby Afrefi.
Hello.
Okay, I'm say I want to make papa and you know friend Bremo 0551667755 0551667755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 Ofreba. Na me so ma fa ewa ha. Hello. Hello, I'm say we almost share connection with na inwure mu na bibi anso no enye kama answer na no mame ko Facebook na me share Facebook messages na anonso no ewo no na je say yenwure mu na enso no yenko beto aso enso no ewa ha Facebook messages aba no mame kenkan enfama we the message about ya sebe enso na Okoman if you are watching the show live from Gospel Oak Barbering Shop inside Amakom Asante Koroko will beat in Sotroman this afternoon. Happy birthday to me. Na say ya say birthday on also area bar. Also ubetima frere afa 0205 818 748 0205 818 748 Frebra. Na fin so no yenjo adwinche and so insema eboba and so no enhom. Ya say happy birthday and go and fama. Nana Kofi Adjuma Black Man I say good morning. Sad news for Ghana. Rest in peace, Achu, watching you inside Pig Farm in Accra. And also the message to me, Eddie Abba, and so, and no, Kofi Asante, the about some, broken. And so, no, so that the Nakuma to just say, Wona Sene Papa, teacher, Constitution, we are going to say, or the about, or say, I wish my dining club, Liverpool, all the best in today's match against Newcastle United. Rest in peace, Christian Achu. Greetings to Dr. Sewa Donko and Riamwasi Hene Nanabuachi Yadom. And also Nisama, let me add Abba and so I don't know. Obiaba so okay. Hello,
good afternoon.
Good morning, but you didn't baby Afrefi.
If I try bright new bright I mean
yeah, bright. We now
oh, if I try
still now yeah, do right. Me from na me share that film me from. Aye.
Mate.
Okay,
my name Arsenal say enkoyi. Sanso na me won by the City losing the match. Say be you better take over. That's it.
Yes, yeah, that's it. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good morning. But you didn't baby Afrefi.
Oh, good morning. Prim with them every midini ata.
Ata bibi ayeboko.
Oh, waja nyaboko bebo kwa nyaboko sa. Na hu yiye.
Yama inya ho shede.
Oh meja nim brother madina kuta chu meka ne fancy me yoyi. And jadi nyamo ko be o se o da ma wa. Eso ja unia tin ya be de ho beka. Intine kra nyam fancy ma ye pepe. Na wasi di kan. Na fe na to se bi ni ye isatamai. Dar me ni nyo as ye do na o chan de na de e den. No jira ka mo. Ja kan si ja tre wono. Na yenso yakuma atuyem. Na otina yanam elusi amani. Me da wa to baba.
So yeah, that's it. That's also no offer by 0551667755, 0551667755, 0270191971, 0270191971, 0205818748. Hello. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Pacho din baby afrefi.
Oh, me ka se fi ebru ye pem Bob.
Bob, ebru ye boko.
Oh, bibia boko.
Mahindi o.
Ene isasima vese kotoko 20. Ene.
Okay. All right. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. 0551667755, 0551667755, 0270191971, and at 0205818748, 0205818748. Movik, yeah, Francis, and about good morning, Pastor of Paradise. So sad watching you from Upper West on Sonedia or the Basansona. Yeah, Kofi Anton Barfor. Great show. Keep it up, guys. Achu's situation is very disturbing. Sorry, bro. On also the messenger. On also etimi Eddie Abba and so and no. I say solo
time na so enti yambo boss keke bechem ebenya points na free Great Olympics ho. Dreams bibia no go stars. That game no double chance for Dreams FC. Had to focus on stars a draw game. And so I was but Tamale City's Kerala United. That game no 50-50 will be out to me a winning. Emani Kinfesa breakum Chelsea. Double chance for Crab and the Kinfesa and so on.
All right, and also a solo and so a prediction and I said na didn't ya or the Abba and so I don't know. Yedibesi na ko na fin so Jumedia kana atwa so I would Jumedian so na Siakasian come from executive producer. You are Kofi Anton Barfor Samson and Kofi Okorajaman Krobia Sante Pa Solo Paradise DJ Ziggy B Ziggy you heavy papa Boama Jumedi no so come Mo share live on Facebook on sono Yakupon in Shamo papa Muswa Mutiano Yakupon Shamo no Yamo Kase no moment Ghana in ya yanchiche yaho area near shedding nothing so your more and pie and fama yaho na ye papa and so no and fama yaho. Yes sir me adum yes you be nyache. We didn't have Kelvin Amponsah Addi. I'm a boy. I draw that baba. I don't want to come in. Yes, baba. You kui. You won't see. Uchum.
Okoman Radio. Hey, station radio man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey. Okoman Radio. Hey, station radio man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey. Okoman Radio.